Search on repeat on Spotify, post it and let people judge you. Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to go on our Instagram app, of course, and then from there you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen. And from here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And now you have to go to new 2022 March at highlights. And here you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. And from here you have to click on the others button. And if you are not able to click on the others button, once I will do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, I will do the story and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads. But first of all, we have to go on our Spotify, of course, and then search on repeat. So let's do that. Go to Spotify, search for on repeat, and then you have to screenshot this, then go to your Instagram once again, then go to your uploads and choose your screenshot. Now you can place your sticker where you want, and once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So now guys, if you are not able to click on the others button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account, and from here you have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you will find this first story. Not able to click on others button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here, and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 3 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you, so make sure to check that. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.